Want to transcribe your audio and video with near-perfect accuracy in 2026? Today, I'm showing you how to use AssemblyAI, one of the most powerful speech AI platforms on the market. So, what exactly is AssemblyAI? It's a dedicated voice AI infrastructure built for developers and creators who need to transcribe and understand speech. Instead of just giving you a basic transcript, AssemblyAI uses advanced models to extract deep insights, understand context, and even power real-time voice agents. Whether you have pre-recorded files or need live real-time transcription, this platform is built to handle it at scale. The star of the show right now is their brand new Universal 3.5 Pro model. This model delivers industry-leading accuracy for both pre-recorded audio and real-time streams. If you're working with international content, you'll love the fact that it supports 99 different languages and features incredibly smooth language switching. It also offers synchronous APIs and voice agent APIs, allowing you to build responsive conversational AI workflows that react instantly without mishearing the user. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. While we have limited external user reviews in our database today, the developer community and case studies highlight some massive wins. Users report exceptional accuracy, low latency, and major time savings because they don't have to manage complex machine learning models themselves. Some businesses even report an 80% increase in customer satisfaction after integrating it. On the con side, because AssemblyAI is primarily a developer-first API platform, there is a learning curve. If you aren't familiar with coding or APIs, you might need to use their playground or work with a developer to fully integrate it into your workflow, rather than just using it as a simple plug-and-play consumer app. If you want to try it out, getting started is simple. You can head over to assemblyaI.com, sign up for a free account, and test their models directly in their online playground. My final verdict: if you are a builder, creator, or developer looking for top-tier, enterprise-grade speech-to-text that scales securely from an MVP to full production, AssemblyAI is incredibly hard to beat in 2026. Have you tried using AI for your transcriptions yet? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and click the link in the description to check out AssemblyAI for free. See you in the next video.